Hello everyone. Today we will talk about profitability index. How to calculate profitability index in Excel. We will explain with the help of an example. In this question, cost of asset 4 lakh, installation charges nil, scrap value after 5 year nil, and the initial working capital required nil. The inflow of the first 5 years are 80,000, 1 lakh 20,000, 1 lakh 30,000, 1 lakh 20,000, and 1 lakh 60,000 respectively. In order to calculate profitability index, first we calculate initial outflow, which equals to cost of asset plus installation charges plus initial working capital required. Amount is 4 lakh. This amount exactly equals to the present value of outflow. Now we will calculate present value inflow. Present value inflow in Excel means net present value. The NPV function equal NPV discount rate, and now we will select all the inflows which are available in B13 to B17. When we press enter, it will give us present value of inflows. As we know that profitability index is present value inflow divided by present value of outflow. So we'll use this formula equal present value inflow divided by present value of outflow, and the answer is 0.98. To round up this up to two decimal place, we'll use function round and we'll take up to two decimal place. Answer is 0.98. Since the value is less than 1, we can say that this project is not profitable. Hope it is helpful.